Good job. Everybody sit in a circle. Big belly breath in. Sit on your circle. Big belly breath out. Okay. Ready? Who can say crisscross applesauce? Okay. Ready, everybody. Put your hands in your belly. Make your belly big. Breathe in. And now breathe out. And pull your belly in. Can you pull your belly in? Push it in like that. Ready? And now breathe in. Make your belly big. And now breathe out. And make your belly really, really small. Can you make your belly really, really small? And now breathe in. Make a big belly. Make your belly big. Make your belly big. Make your belly big. And now breathe out. And now close your eyes. What's in my belly? What do you mean, what's in my belly? What's in my belly? A lot of pizza, a lot of ice cream, a lot of food. That's what's in my belly.